Welcome to Grand Forest Apartments. Looking to live in an apartment your junior or senior year? St. Louis University's Grand Forest Apartments offer independence with all the amenities and benefits of staying on campus. Home to nearly 200 students, the Grand Forest Apartments are located in a quiet area just a short walk from SLU's Busch Student Center, the Interdisciplinary Science and Engineering Building, the Science Quad, Hermann Stadium, Billiken Sports Complex, and Chaifetz Arena. Due to their proximity to the university's sports facilities, Grand Forest Apartments are a popular choice for student athletes. The complex is made up of 21 buildings with 4 apartments each, set around communal green space. Individual buildings have a vestibule that is accessed using your SLU ID card. Apartment front doors are also secured by card access. Bedroom doors have individual keys that are available by request. Many apartment units at Grand Forest have either a balcony or fenced patio area. You'll also find communal tables, grills, and hammocks for relaxing, studying, and socializing. Grand Forest Apartments offer a few different floor plans. Let's take a look at 2 of the most popular. The double occupancy apartment has 2 bedrooms, one for each roommate. Each bedroom has an extra long twin bed with memory foam mattress, a dresser, a desk, a chair, and a closet. There is also a bathroom and a kitchen open to a living area with a dining table and 4 chairs, an upholstered chair, coffee table, and sofa. The triple occupancy apartment is a little larger and also has 2 bedrooms, one private and one for 2 roommates to share. The shared room has 2 extra long twin beds with memory foam mattresses, 2 dressers, 2 desks, and 2 chairs. Another desk is located in the common area, which is otherwise furnished exactly like the double occupancy unit. An additional bedroom with a single bed, dresser, desk, and chair rounds out the unit. Triple occupancy apartments also have a half bath in the shared bedroom with a toilet and sink. So, what can you do with the space? Aside from the half bath in the triple occupancy units, the floor plans are very similar. One bedroom in each unit is larger than the other, so pushing the bed along one wall opens up floor space, particularly in the smaller room. Remember that everything that comes in the unit needs to stay in it during the year, but there's lots of room to add more furniture and additional touches to make the apartment your own. Bring rugs, lighting, and extra seating. Many students add bookcases or a stand for a TV. Don't forget plants, both inside and out, and a place to sit on your balcony or patio. Kitchens are equipped with a refrigerator with a freezer and a stove, but you may also want to bring a microwave, dishes, glassware, and cookware, plus whatever else you need to make the kitchen your own. Remember that individual dimensions of the apartments may vary. Check the floor plans at slu.edu for general measurements. What else should you know? Grand Forest Apartments have central air conditioning and on-site laundry in the basement of each building. Need help? Students have access to a 24-hour service desk at Marchetti Towers East. Grand Forest Apartments stay open during Thanksgiving, winter, and spring breaks. Summer housing is also often available in Grand Forest if you are occupying that space for spring semester. We can't wait to welcome you to Grand Forest Apartments. Still have questions? Learn more at slu.edu/housing.